Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in the life of being an entrepreneur, running a business and all that. So yesterday we did like 150 USD in total in sales from 2 stores. One was a new store, did 55, and the rest was from my other one. And I've just realized, like, bro, making $100 a day is not gonna get me to the rooms I wanna be in, even $1,000 a day or even $10,000 a day. So I definitely need to step some shit up, and that's the goal of this vlog. But look at this view, bro. When I come up here and I look at things like this, it just really makes you realize, like, it's really 1, 2, 3, bro. All these people could be your customers. All these people could buy something from your business, bro. Somebody in that building is probably looking for an iced out chain. Somebody in that building is probably looking for a watch. Somebody in that building is probably looking for a cooling product. Somebody in that building is probably looking for a dropshipping mentor. It's really too much money out here, bro. You gotta get outside of your house. Don't spend your whole youth just sitting around in a dark room talking about I'm locked in, I'm grinding. You gotta come out and experience life a little, bro. That's all it is. A new day, bro. The whole day, bro. I literally did a 9 to 5 on my laptop, bro. Just straight grinding. I was building a new store. It's like based off of a show. So now my goal for this one was, you guys already know I did the 1K day, but it was just a 1K day. Now with this brand, I'm trying to do 1K days every day. And I know I can. Boy, Brooke. Oh, my guy answered, bro. What's good?
Everything good.
You won, bro.
You're joking.
I'm not joking, though. You won. Bro, my guy is a business owner, bro. Entrepreneur. I'm just gonna. You have a Shopify account. It doesn't cost
What
money.
am I supposed to do?
I'm just gonna share the store with you. You'll get an invite in your email to become the owner of the store. Y'all, we're back with another recording in the vlog, man. I've been doing hella $100 days and stuff, but I'm not even recording them because I don't care, bro. Me right now, the main focus has just been finishing my LLC, bro, because like the company I used to get, sent me like half the documents, but just now I just got the full document. That means now I'm finna activate Shopify payments. Bruh, I was so happy. Then I just realized earlier this month Shopify I did a change where if you have a US LLC, you need like a physical address. But still, I mean, I can activate Stripe. It's still a good thing, but it's not gonna help with the Shopify payments. Man, I'm chilling. We just got some UGC. If you don't know what that means, it means user generated content. And that basically means when creators get your product and then make a video about it that's like a video they would normally make, like not so salesy. At least that's what I went for this time. It can be anything, as long as it's just a person holding your product, talking about it, showing how it works. So this one is for jewelry. And the way I did this is through an affiliate deal. Instead of paying them up front, I just offer them a 20% commission and the free jewelry. So that's how I did it. This is the first UGC. I have like 2 more on the way. I'm gonna go and meet another creator later today to make a video. Man, it's looking good. Things are gonna go crazy. And I also just started another hustle. So I'm gonna be DMing all these online stores in my country that only sell through Instagram, WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna build them a Shopify store, because I've built stores doing $1,000 a day and I have proof of it. So it's gonna be so much free extra money basically. It's midnight. I've just been here editing email campaigns for my brand, and I've been thinking, bro, how bad do you guys really want it? No, I've been in this routine now for 2 years now, properly locked in, like with the full intention of becoming extremely rich, because I did start my journey like 8 years ago, but I wasn't really locked in. I was a kid. There were all these factors. But through all this time, I've just been looking at people that are my age and the things that they do, always going to party when I'm always going to grind, and making those simple daily actions has put me ahead of everyone when I compare myself to normal people. And so I ask you, how bad do you really want it? What are you willing to sacrifice to get to where you want to be? Are you willing to sacrifice sleep, relationships? Because that's what it takes. You can't have everything. In life, you give some and you take some. So what are you willing to lose in order to become successful? How many hours are you willing to put in? There's some trends I've been seeing, and I'm not a guy that wants to miss out. People are making 10K a day with those trends. So I will simply make 10K a day too. It's as simple as making the decision and acting on it. Today so far we're on $160, and I haven't really been talking about them because this shit ain't really enough to make a guy like me happy no more, bro. After I did that 1K day, I became spoiled, man. Every day has to be a 1K day. I feel like it's a waste. But anyways, yeah, I've been doing a bunch of other $100 days, $200 days, boom, boom, boom. But dog, we gotta get more 1K days, man. This shit needs to become normal to me, bro. Like now I started another organic dropshipping store. It's in the anime niche. I won't say the anime. I won't even give a hint. Man, y'all ain't stealing from me, bro. Hey, but anyways, bro, back to work. Still doing more outreach for the website building, bro. I'm telling you, I'm on the road to Lambo, bro. I don't mean to be that guy, bro, but I'm obviously making money from the shit. And if you aren't, I have the cheapest resource ever, bro. It's $20, bro. Whatever, man. I mean, bro, the other day I even gave a store away to a subscriber. It's been like 2 weeks, the guy hasn't done anything. So I guess some people just aren't meant to be successful, man. Because that guy could have changed his life. You could change your life right now. But it's alright. One reason that most people plateau after they experience their first success is they think that just because things are working now, they'll always be working. Just because they finally did $100 or $200 day, they think that now they can take a rest because they finally made it to something. But that's the complete wrong mindset to have. In fact, that's when you even need to go harder. You think that now because you finally got some small traction, you can slack off. Not forgetting that that traction you're experiencing is as a result of your continued efforts every day, grinding. And if you start slacking, you'll start failing as a result of your continued slacking. Because cool, you had a record day. You feel good. Feel like now you can spend the whole day outside, doing a bunch of BS. You wait till people stop buying your products. And you won't be able to figure out why. You're gonna start feeling like it's all over. You wait for that feeling to hit you, bro. Because you know that when you're meant to be taking that $100 day to a 1K day, you're doing some other stuff. Why would you work for so long to gain some traction? And then when the traction comes, you throw away the opportunity to take it to a crazy level. And maybe I'm speaking to myself, bro. But at least now I've identified that problem and it's not gonna happen again. So a little update on my organic store I just got done recording a banger video. Like, bro, this might be the one to get 1 million views. But there's so many roadblocks between me and the success. Like, one, Instagram keeps banning my accounts for no reason. Now I'm on the 4th account, not giving up. YouTube just banned my first account when I was getting good traction. I was getting like one video to hit 30k views every day, and these are shorts. And TikTok, I'm still up and standing, and I also figured out a way to target the US audience without needing a US SIM card. Drop some likes, like 15 likes. Nah, I'm playing, like 30 likes on this video. Man, 100 likes. This is some real sauce. If y'all want me to talk about how I'm able to do that. But the moral of the story I'm learning is, when you're goated, some certain things don't even affect you. Who cares if they ban my account? I'm goated. I'll just run up a new one and get even more views. So everything is good right now. Like, I'm in the perfect position to blow up a video and change my life. But I already know the problems that will come. Like, right now, my Shopify payments on the store is good. I've done a test order. But I know obviously they're gonna come with some BS once I do enough money. I do have my LLC, but they added something where you need like a proper residential address in the US. So there is a workaround where you rent like some workstation in the US for $400 a month. But obviously I'm not gonna do that if I'm making less, like at the very minimum less than $400 a month profit on the store. Obviously that's nothing, but I've done zero on the store, so just gotta wait for them sales to start rolling in and hope by the time they pick up on my account, I'm already making good money, and the money will solve those problems. Yo, it's a good morning, man. I just hit 2,000 subscribers on the Need to Paid channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And just off of that, I want to tell you all, it's so many income streams in this world, bro. Like, forget even drop shipping and freelance website building, all the stuff you see me do in this video. This another one, YouTube. I'm not even monetized, but I could monetize this channel and have that be another income stream. More money just magically appearing in the bank, bro. It's too many ways for you to make money out here, for you to be chilling at home broke and crying about, oh, it's so hard, it's so hard. Bro, just take action and you're gonna achieve something, bro. Even if you don't achieve money, you're gonna achieve knowledge that's gonna take you in the right direction to achieve money. Simple. I think I'm gonna close this video out here, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace. While most people my age are drowning in student debt or grinding all day at dead-end jobs that pay minimum wage, I've been here at home building online stores that generate me over $200 per day each. My name is Baraka Nathan. I go by Need to Paid, and at 19, I've managed to master what I call branded dropshipping. And here's what sets me apart. I've been working online since I was 11 years old. 8 years of trial, error, and relentless learning have given me insights that people twice my age still don't understand. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply a fulfillment model for e-commerce. Now, this is how it works. First, you find a product that's already getting sales, and then you're gonna take that product and list it on your own website at a higher price. And third, you need to direct traffic to your website, either using paid ads or organically, and I've made $200 a day using both of these methods. Now, when customers buy the product on your website, let's say for example you got the product for $10 and you're selling it for $50. When they pay you that $50, all you have to do is take out that $10 and pay the supplier, and they're gonna ship it directly from the warehouse to the customer's doorstep, meaning you never have to bear those expensive warehouse costs, and you can run an entire retail store from your laptop and make money every day in your sleep throughout the day. There's no limit to it. I started dropshipping in September 2023, and since then have been able to generate over $100 profit each day and over $200 revenue with my stores. And this is while selling to different countries all over the world: United States, United Kingdom, even Kenya. But here's the truth that most people aren't gonna tell you. I was consistently losing money until I cracked the code. When I first started dropshipping, I was following the same old outdated advice that everybody pushes, which is just slapping random winning products on terrible websites, running stolen ads and hoping for the best. Month after month, I watched my ad spend disappear with nothing to show for it. And that's when I realized that that traditional model of dropshipping is dead. So, as a veteran in the entrepreneurship game, I did what I knew best. I tested, I failed, I adapted, and through that I finally figured out what works with dropshipping in 2025. And that is branded dropshipping. You need to have a branded, clean, trustworthy website that looks professional. You need to have active social media pages for your brand in order to build a sense of community. You need to have your own creators making authentic content. And you need to combine both paid traffic and organic traffic. And when you do this right, customers don't just buy once and disappear. They trust you enough to come back and do a repeat purchase, and that's where the real money is made. We call that the customer lifetime value. And that's just a little sneak peek into what you're gonna learn inside this branded dropshipping course. Let me tell you about one of my students named Nick, who came up to me with zero dropshipping experience. And using the exact systems I teach, he went from someone who had never made money online or even tried to making over $300 with his branded store organically. That means he didn't spend a single dollar on ads, and over 80% of that was profit. Inside 2Paid Commerce, you're gonna get a full A to Z guide on product research, website building, editing ads, running ads, email marketing, setting up payments. And on top of that, there's gonna be 1 to 2 weekly calls where I'm gonna help you guys inside grow your dropshipping brands with my personal advice. You're also gonna be connecting with other successful brand owners daily. There's gonna be people who joined from zero and became successful. There's gonna be people who joined when they were seeing a little success and managed to scale it. And that's a perfect ecosystem that you need when you're getting into a new line of business. And if this sounds like something you want to do, the place that you want to be in order to get your dropshipping brand up and running and scale that, then click get access down below to join 2Paid Commerce. We're building the #1 dropshipping community in Africa. And eventually I'm going to close entry. So get in while it's still open. Don't miss out.